Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through how to disable the Discovering You by Your Phone Number feature on LinkedIn using your PC. This is a great way to enhance your privacy and ensure that your phone number is not used to find your profile. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll access your account settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs. Click on Visibility. Under the Visibility section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Profile Discovery Using Phone Number. Click on it to open the settings for this feature. Here, you'll see a few options for who can discover your profile using your phone number. By default, it might be set to Everyone or Connections. To completely disable this feature, simply select the option that says Nobody. And that's it. You've successfully disabled profile discovery using your phone number. This change ensures that no one can use your phone number to search for or find your LinkedIn profile, giving you more control over who can connect with you. Remember, while this feature enhances privacy, it may also limit how easily potential employers or professional contacts can find you. So, make sure this setting aligns with your networking goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. See you in the next video.